god, it says the August vlog.
Yeah. It's now officially August 1st. I'm eating a crumpet. Headed to the gym now. My hair is looking crazy. Jesus Christ. That didn't really help. It's Sunday the 4th of August. We're watching Stranger Things. We've currently rearranged the whole living room so that we could pull the couch out to a bed. It looks crazy here now. And I'm so not taking responsibility for this. It's raining a lot today. Which we don't love. Walking past the USU welcome line. That's where Tilly and I became friends.
This is where I bombarded Tilly, Hannah, and Charlie, and I said, you're gonna be my friends now.
And then we became friends. Look at us go. There's so many people here, it's insane. Don't love that. First day of school yesterday was good. Might have updated you, can't remember. It's now, my hair's everywhere, sorry. It's now Tuesday, the 5th of August. Just finished at the gym in my little Arsenal shirt. That was a massive post office. I've usually just been to one by my old flat. It's tiny. I don't know where I'm going. So that was crazy. Nice though. Hopefully it makes it home in time. Otherwise I will be annoyed with myself for doing this so late. It'll be fun.
Come over for dinner, but I'm just gonna watch you. Yay! Why are we sitting in darkness though?
I'm sending the girls home with leftovers.
Yay!
Yay! Eating her bag pasta.
It's so fun.
Margot joined us.
It's ugly.
That's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
That would be great. I'm sorry.
So today is the anniversary of my dad passing away, which is always a weird day for me. But I'm gonna try to hang out with good people today and make good memories and make it as good as possible. I also got my first economics lecture today, which is gonna be interesting. And I'm meeting Tilly there, so that's good. It's a good start to my morning. This is how campus is looking. There's so much construction everywhere, it's a bit sad, honestly.
What is that in the context of the running is what I meant.
It's currently 7:35 on a Sunday morning. You're probably wondering why I'm up. So am I. It's City to Surf today, so my boyfriend and his housemates are running that. So now I'm just heading out the door, and then I'll meet them at the finish line in Bondi, because I was considering standing along the way, but I'll just be at the finish line instead. I haven't been bothered getting ready yet, so I've just got last night's eyebrows on. So I'm gonna put on some concealer, but it's gonna rain, so I can't be bothered to put on too much anyways. Don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. Cheese and prosciutto and hummus. Cards. Wow.
You have beef with your dad?
Do you actually?
No, I don't have beef with my dad. Get shut that building. It's giving Hogwarts. Come on. What is that? Is that the Great Hall? No, it's not.
No.
No.
This is the physics building.
You can literally see the breath.
Yeah, it's also really cold. It's like, it says it's 14 degrees, but
feels
it's not.
like 8.
Yeah, it's so
And
cold.
I'm like, just say it's 8 degrees, babes.
And it's so wet. Ugh. I hate this.
It's so wet. Oh.
So wet. And I still haven't edited the vlog from July.
Okay, it's coming soon.
Inshallah. It looks so brown.
Unboxing?
It's a taste test.
I can smell it from there.
So miserable. My baby's head.
Is the head gone?
It survived.
Yeah. Lovely.
It's literally so disgusting. Are we in England right now? Low key.
We're in the west coast of Norway right now. It's been raining for the last 2 months.
Did you see that TikTok where he's like, the raindrops are like bullets and you get fucking battered down? I'm like,
Yeah. Ugh, my toes are wet already.
so wait, I want to video you like.
My peanut butter.
I have the hiccups. It is still very much raining. I am right now just headed to the grocery store to get some stuff for dinner this afternoon. I'm gonna have an early dinner, and I also need to meal prep because I'm working 9 hours tomorrow. And then I'm also having some girlfriends over for like a hangout tomorrow evening, so we're gonna make bracelets. So I need to buy some snacks for that as well. I'm thinking to maybe make like cookies. That would be very nice. And maybe some soda or something. So yeah, I'm excited. I got home and started cooking, and then I realized as I was cooking chicken for the chicken Cecil wraps, I realized that the dressing that I was going to use was out of date. So now I have to go back to the store in the middle of cooking to get more Caesar dressing. Luckily, I live like a 4-minute walk from the store, but it's annoying. I was like, oh, should I just have a really dry salad? And I was like, no, that doesn't sound great. Oh! It's a Friday night and we want ice cream. Whoa! Whoa, that was... You having a good time?
Yes.
That's good.
Smell like a pussy.
Oh my gosh. It's now Sunday the 24th of August and I am on my way to work again. I'm working at my normal store today though, and it's only a 4-hour shift, which is like less than half of what I worked yesterday. So I was there from 9 till 6 yesterday. So it's gonna be nice. My colleagues are nice. I'm walking home right now and it's looking really pretty. Now I'm going to meet my friend at a trampoline park, which should be so much fun. I've never been to one before. I was when I was like 10, but not in the last decade. So that's gonna be really fun. I'm wearing this. No Nike today, which is embarrassing, but it'll be fun. How are we feeling?
I'm so excited.
So excited. It's so warm today. It's great. We're loving it. Hopefully we don't break our necks.
Manifesting. I'm gonna do a flip today, that's my goal.
Oh, love that.
And not break my neck.
I'm gonna try not having an asthma attack. I think that's my goal.
Just you need heaps of water breaks, that's why.
Yeah, heaps of water breaks.
Water breaks.
Water breaks.
We'll sit down.
Yeah. We've been here for 30 minutes so far.
We're puffed already. Exhausted to say the least.
We're having an ice cream break.
Today we got a lemonade ice block. She got an Oreo. Period.
We just finished the trampoline park. It was great fun. We only had one big break. And then we climbed some walls. So that was really fun.
You climbed the walls.
Yeah.
I watched.
You climbed
I climbed
some.
a wall.
And the other one, half.
I feel like if that guy wasn't watching, I would have so conquered that wall.
Yeah. Fair.
Self-confidence, you know. I was like, don't watch me.
Yeah, fair. It was good. We want to try like a bigger ninja course next time with the guys. It's not going to be in this vlog though, but
Stay tuned.
stay tuned for next month. Yeah. I just got home. Starting work on this essay that I've got due on Friday. It's currently Tuesday at 4 p.m. and I'm busy Thursday. And I have to study for my Arabic quiz tomorrow. So I need to get started on this today. And then I'll study during the day on Friday as well. And it's this economics assignment about reasons for inflation, I think. And then I'm also studying with some classmates tomorrow for my Arabic quiz. And I had some cookie dough in the fridge. So I'm just making cookies now to bring tomorrow. So yeah, it's been a great day. I'm just in my kitchen. There are my cookies. Yep, waiting for the oven to be ready. Not as good as the ones I make myself, but it's easy. Thank you.
Is it a potato? What is it?
It's an
Onion.
An onion.
It's an onion.
That's what the best is.
Amazing shows. So give yourselves a round of applause for being here. This is fucking sick.
That's the August vlog. Love ya.